In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change a Nintendo Switch eShop region. This is going to work on the Switch 1 or the Switch 2 or any of the Switch variants. But before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, obviously, right now, I'm in the United States, so my eShop is going to be set to the United States. But if you're, from another country like the UK, you might want to use prices in your local currency. To change your eShop region, what you're going to want to do is use an external device like a phone, tablet, or computer, and actually open up a web browser on that secondary device and go to the official Nintendo website, hit sign in, choose sign in with an existing user, and enter in your Nintendo account details. From here, you have to hit your profile icon up in the top right, choose your account settings, go into the user info tab, and find the country and region of residence. Click edit, save your new country, for example, the UK, and then hit save changes again. You're going to see important notes about Nintendo Gold points, account balance, and region-specific restrictions. Just make sure that you read and understand these before continuing. And when you come back to your Nintendo Switch and you go ahead and open up the eShop, and if you already had it opened up, close it completely, choose your account again, and once it does load, your currency will match your new region. For example, US is in dollars and UK is in pounds. It's going to be flip-flopped. But that is it. Your eShop region is now going to be updated. If this guide did help you out or clear things up, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.